Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing a very quick makeup tutorial for you, and I'm gonna be sipping a cup of coffee. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna be sipping a cup of coffee as I do this makeup. Pretty hot. I don't think I can do this right now. So this makeup tutorial is basically gonna be get ready with me, like a talk through, but it's also like a fast and easy makeup tutorial to do. So today I'll be doing I really don't know you know, when you say I want to do a very simple easy makeup, you end up doing like a drag queen makeup. So let's see how this video goes. So I'm using this foundation, the one from Oriflame. I really love this foundation. You see why I love it. So I already have some here with me and my face has already been prepped and primed. So let's get in with this. I'm just gonna put this everywhere. And yes, I'm using the Jones Beauty Blender. I'm just gonna go on and dab this into my skin. So okay, I have a question for you guys. What would you do if your spouse or your boyfriend or girlfriend has a bestie that is not you? Okay, so I'm done with my foundation. The next thing I'm gonna do is my highlight. I am the type of girlfriend that's always right. That's almost always right. Like, so I'm just gonna blend this out. So I'm gonna bake with this yellow powder. Oh. So here guys, I'm going to be using this powder palette to contour and highlight my cheeks. So I'm going to use this to contour. This actually isn't so dark, so it doesn't really come off too much, which I like. So I'm just going to put this right here. I'm going to talk about being a YouTuber, what it means to be a YouTuber. That shit ain't easy. No, though I don't really put my hope on them, like I'm going to use the NEPA lights to film, but just imagine when you're filming, NEPA just take the lights. You now start standing up, going to the generator stand, on the generator, come back. But that's as if you don't give up. You are like so tired already. It's not easy. Being a YouTuber in Nigeria is not easy. Then, what I like the most is when I edit the videos, but getting up to do the video is the actual work. Editing the video is fun part for me. It's really, really fun. I get to play with so many things, the editing and all that. But making the video itself, setting this all up right now. So I'm done highlighting and contouring. I'm gonna put my blush and I'm gonna use this very pinky shade. So just gonna put this at my oops. Okay, So try doing this method. Try putting your blush from here and you blend it into your eyebrow and you like your forehead. You would totally love it. So this is like the best way to put your blush down. If you don't know, now you know. Oops, that's way too much. Okay, we're good. How does it look like? Do you like it? So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw my brows. So I'm using this beautiful brow pencil. This is, I'm gonna draw this, you know. I'm just gonna make it. So now I'm taking my highlighter. I have some already here, so I'm just gonna highlight this. This eyes, I'm just gonna do the other one off camera. I'll be back. Next white base, I'm just gonna put this all over. I'm using this and this. I think so. I'll mix them.
Follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head.
In this orange, I want to play with colors. I'm going to use something like this, and maybe this.
I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Going in with the pink. I'm gonna put the pink right here. Oh, it's very bright, sharp yellow. I'm gonna put it right here. So for my under eyes, I think I'm gonna go dramatic since I already started with a dramatic lid. So I'm gonna go dramatic. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put this under my eyes right here because I'm gonna be painting this maybe green or I don't know. I'll see. I'm doing this because I do not have a mascara. My mascara is dried out. So I'm just gonna use this to make the hair right there turn black. Lily, Bossy Dreams and Unbutton. I love the packaging. It's so sleek. I like the packaging. So let's open this up. Let's see what we have here. So this is Unbutton. This is so cute, don't you think? So this is the Unbutton and this is Bossy. Oh, I like this. These colors are amazing. Damn. Let's see this last one. Oh, I love nude. Dreams. Dreams is cute. So I think this, I don't know what to choose. I think I'll, for the look I have already, let's see. So I'm gonna put this here. Oh, wow, it's so pigmented. I love this. So this is the pink one. Let me try this at the middle of it. Oh wow.
Trailing, I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way, never back to you. Ooh, I'm not a bubble. Let me be myself. I'm not a bubble. Let me be myself.
Yes, this was how I got this look. Comment on the comment section and I'll see you next time. Stay blessed. Bye.